Greetings, my name is Andris Theodoros and I got my master's degree in computer science right here in Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences. I'm a lecturer to a course called Object-Oriented Programming in C++ programming language, and this course is part of International Study Program in Information Technologies. The goal of this course is to obtain knowledge about programming algorithms and their development process, as well as establish skills in C++ programming using structural and object-oriented programming paradigms. This course also uses active learning methods and practical works during lectures to promote experimental learning. During the studies, you'll be able to develop programs individually and in groups, improve practical skills using such programming elements as functions, classes, pointers, templates, libraries, and also gain insight in system programming. This course will also help to develop your personal characteristics such as creativity, critical thinking, the ability to cooperate and analyze the code, and your practical skills will be established during internship in close cooperation with government facilities, internationally and nationally known companies in IT field. Target audience of this course is IT specialty students who want to improve their knowledge and skills in the programming field. For international students, this course offers a vast future employment possibilities and also the opportunity to gain knowledge about the work culture of other countries. One of the reasons to study here in Vidzeme University is the cozy and peaceful city of Valmiera, where you can become a high-level industry professional and still cooperate with the rest of the world. From my experience, students who never give up can achieve success even in the fields they struggle the most with. So be determined. Good luck everyone, and I hope we will see each other in the future.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Vidzeme University of Applied Sciences, subscribe to our channel and look for more information in video description.